guess I wanted to give you a special announcement. The effect. Well, the sun was really annoying me. And I tried black and white and the sun was still really annoying the camera. And it just not right. You can actually see it. That's so annoying. Look, you can just see it over my head. Well, that was really annoying me when I was trying to look into the camera. So I thought that this was the only one that would stop. Look at the tree. The tree looks pretty cool though. That would stop that. So now the sun's less annoying. But yes. What was the announcement? I can't. Let me think. Oh yes. How could I forget? Sorry, my dog is just being really slow. Being so slow. I'm just trying to get him to come over here for us. Maybe? No. Anyway, so today is the officially first day of the holiday. Yesterday it was a half day, so I feel like it's not quite so official. I'm just trying to deal with how tangled the dog is whilst talking. I've done it now. That looks so weird and negative, just like it does not in real life though, I hope. And so yeah, that's one of the announcements. The other announcement is that I'm doing a Q&A, and no one has answered. I say this through all my videos past couple of days because I keep asking and no one ever answers. I'm doing a Q&A. Just put it in the comments below this video. That would be amazing. And yeah, that would just be really cool. And also, on Saturday or Friday, kind of like we'll get there on Saturday kind of thing. I'm doing this video because I'm going on holiday, so I won't be able to record too much just because it's for my memory. So any announcements I've got to do now. Yes, my dog was just eating the grass. It's a bit weird. It's not good for him. Just. I like how the lead looks though. And if we get down here, say hello. Yeah. It just looks so weird. The dog in the negative mode. So see you later.